Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. Alright you guys, today is a great day. Today we're doing a collab. I do want to thank our host for this collab. Over here. Thank you so much for inviting us, y'all. So we're talking about emergency preparedness, right? It is the month of March and we're doing emergency preparedness. Now you guys know that I do preps, right? So I prep every month. I spend about $50. Hey, for you new people, my name's Shakema. I'm a single mom. I have 4 children. I have 2 of them that live at home and 2 that live off from home. So I have 2 girls, Alana and Shakema, 2 boys, Trendon and Jackson. Alana and Jackson still live at home. Shakema and Trendon, they are grown and they live off from home. So, it's important. It's always been important being a single parent for me to make sure that my kids had all of the things that they needed. That being food, shelter, heat, water, right? All the things. And I've made it a priority of mine to make sure that we do all of the things that are necessary to have those things happen. So we do quite a lot of things. One of the things that we do is we grocery shop. It is another grocery shop week. I don't always do big shops, but I do enough shopping and I used to coupon that I have enough things on hand in case we can't get to the grocery store or supplies are limited. So I'm going to be sharing with you guys a grocery haul where I was able to go in and get some major deals to do some stocking up so that I could put things in my short-term pantry. I'm going to show you the short-term pantry, and then I'm going to roll you into some footage that I did a shop trip with my kids, of course, and we purchased some things. And then I'll share with you what I purchased and then how those things help us in emergency preparedness. All right, so here's one of my pantries. This is just our extended pantry from regular grocery shopping. In here, I keep all kinds of extra things. We definitely keep 2 to 3 to 4 extras of something on hand just in case, especially the things that we like. We don't prep anything we don't eat. I don't care what list somebody has put out. I think lists are good. I think they're helpful. I've used them in the past. But I always go in and customize the list to the things my kids will eat. Oatmeal is not a thing that I enjoy regularly, but if I put it in cookies, I enjoy oatmeal raisin cookies. And my son is a master chef. So we always have things. So this week at our local grocery store, which is what I would typically do if I were going to try to get the most bang for my buck, is I would shop my grocery circular before I go shopping to figure out what deals were on sale. So I'm going to show you the grocery circular, and then I'm going to pop you into a video where the kids and I went out to get groceries. Alrighty, so here is my grocery store. We shop at Food Line, and this of course was for last week's groceries, but there were a couple of things that I would have purchased and did purchase because they were on a sale. So I always shop deals. I never shop just buy whatever. That's not my jam. I'm going to shop the deals because I'm dealing with a very limited budget. So you can be prepared even if you have a small budget. So because last week or earlier this week was St. Patrick's Day, this was on sale, green cabbage. So what can I do with green cabbage? Well, I could make sauerkraut. I could make coleslaw. I could go ahead and cut some of this up and make it ahead. I could make noodles for those of you who are doing, those of us who do lower carb, higher protein. We could make noodles. But because I've taught myself to can, I would have probably taken this and I would have pressure canned, or I don't think you have to pressure can sauerkraut because of it does have vinegar in it. But don't take my word for it. Look it up. So I would have done green cabbage, and I would have put cans of sauerkraut up in our pantry. I would have also picked up 5-pound bags of potatoes. I could have gotten 4 bags, which would have been 20 pounds of potatoes. I could easily take these, cut them up, get all the starch out, and then can these as well to put back on the pantry shelf to make them shelf stable. They had a tremendous sale that was buy two, get one free. Now, this is how my children and I have eaten over the years. We have always bought and got. Bought and got. Buy two, get one free. And then we get to choose, pick and choose which of those things are helpful for us. Couple of things that are helpful for us. Mueller's pasta, because pasta will sit on the shelf, has a very long extended shelf life. So if I buy two and get one free, that's going to be 3 for $3 or $1 a piece. You also have pasta sauce, buy two, get one free. So I'm actually, instead of paying $3 per jar, I'm paying $2 per jar. Definitely must stock up on your paper towels and your toilet paper, buy two, get one free. So I would buy either 3 paper towels or 3 toilet papers, or you can mix and match the deal. So for me, I always shop my sales. Let me see what's on sale. Just because it's on sale doesn't mean it's my price, right? It could be somebody else's price, but it may not be Shakema's, yes, I'm going to buy this bargain basement price, which is generally how I have to do it. Now, if I go look at the Food Lion bath tissue and paper towel, this is cheaper, but I'm still not going to get the same, because I'm going to buy $6, $12. I'm going to end up spending $4 per item if I purchase it through the buy two, get one free versus this sale right here. So that's how I save on groceries and how I make sure that I'm preparing, because most of my concern with preparedness is in the grocery store. All right, so that's what I do. I'm going to pop you in now and share with you a couple of the deals that I was able to get. Kids and I went to do a grocery shop before, and we buy lots of things. It's not just pasta and sauce. I think Tangi from Freedom Homestead one time said she always makes sure she has either brownies or cake mix in her extended pantry in case guests come over. I know Sarah over at Our Tribe of Many, they have a large family, and so of course they're already buying in bulk, but you know, she has extra because they always entertain quite a lot. So find the things that are necessary that your family would love, and then buy lots of those things. All right, you guys. So we're at Food Lion, and we're going to see what I can find to add to our pantry. This week, there's a ton of buy one, get ones, or buy two, get ones, and all those types of things. So I'm going to come in and see what I can do on a limited budget. Remember, I'm a single mom with 2 kids, very limited budget, but we're also expanding our pantries on the case of any emergencies. So let's jump in, see what we can find in the grocery store. So the buy two, get 3 free. Buy two, get 1 free. And do all of those. Go down, because they got them all down here this week. And I am going to pick up a couple of these for the ladies. So that was a buy two, get 1 free. Yep, and I'm going to get, we'll make these $1 each. Pot size. Yeah, let's do the thin. And like, you hold your hand like that? So this one, the buy two, and then show those. And all of these. They got broccoli, cheese, all those soup. Oh, they got protein soup down there, sister. And then show it. Is it beans? I don't think it's beans. You want to get a couple of those for us, sister? Sparkle. If you buy 2, you get 1 free. I'm gonna buy these 2, and I'm gonna get that 1 free. Okay. Well, you can't really. So here's our price before rewards, and because we're MVP customers, that's how much we saved. Here are the things we were able to get for just to put back in our pantry. Couple of things that were necessary. Vinegar is always a necessary, because you can use it for canning, you can use it for sanitizing, you can use it for cleaning. course, your paper products. Those cups are for school. They weren't for this particular thing, but I got them at the same time. We got pasta, we got sauce, we got a snack. We have something to help with salads because we actually do grow lettuce in our garden, which we do. So there it is, you guys. Thank you so much for stopping by our channel. If you're new here, hey, I'm glad you came. If you have a video coming up, I'm gonna come over and hang out with you. Thank you so much to our host for inviting us. We love to see all the things that people are doing to prepare. Again, I've taught myself new skills. I've learned how to can. I just water bath can right now. I don't pressure can because I don't have a pressure canner, and I have a glass top stove, so I can't pressure can on a glass top stove. I don't trust it. My son bakes. He knows how to do bread from scratch. He knows how to make anything that's a bread item. So we have that in our tool belt. We're going to be prepared in case anything happens. We do have a grill. We have emergency light power. We have a solar powered, we don't have a generator, but we do have like for light and where we can charge our phones or devices. We do have something for that. We have the charcoal grill. We also have the gas grill, just in case we can't grill inside of the house. And there are, we can't cook inside of the house. And there are a ton of things that we still don't have that we're going to be working on and preparing for. So that's just a little glimpse into our little world of how we do things. We do want to thank you guys so much for stopping by. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe. And you guys, check the playlist because all the people who are participating in this collab will be in that playlist. Go over, watch their videos, see what they have going on. Tell them that Shakema sent you. We're so glad that you are here, and we're going to see you somewhere in these comments or in the next video. Thank you again so much for stopping by, and we'll see you next time. Bye now.